Good morning, fishermen. Lights out west. Time to go and get fish. Come along and have a squizzy. Rightio. Good morning, fishermen. Got a fish on. Sun's just about to come up. Been a bit slow. There are fish in the area, you can see them moving. Not in great numbers though, but good fishing here after dark. About an hour after it gets dark. Target the weed beds, the fish will be in here. It's always a good night spot here. Still got a fish on. Go on fishy, I'll let you go. Got up at 5 this morning. Come on, Bubba. I'll let you go. Making progress. Took quite a bit of line. Clouds are moving in from the southwest again. There we go, 6.5 pound fish. Good start to the morning. Stunning. Big hen. That's all good. What a back fish it came from.